Hello everybody, how are you? So again welcome back to all of you in my mathematics class. So today we will do some problems relating to similar triangles. Okay, so for this I have taken two questions, this and this. Okay, so let's see the first question. So in this questions, in figure if PQ parallel to BC. Okay, so here you can see one figure is given for this questions A, B, C, D. Okay, and there is a line with joining AC. Okay, so in figure PQ, so here this is PQ. If PQ parallel to BC and PR, this is PR parallel to CD, then prove that AR by AD will be equal to AQ by AB. Okay, and next QB, this is QB by AQ will be equal to DR by AR. Okay, so this is to be proved. Okay, so I hope everybody understood this question. Okay, so let's solve it. So for this we have to make a diagram which is given. Okay, so everybody try to understand. So for this we make a simple diagram. So here we have A, B, C, D. Okay, and AC is a line with joining AC. Okay, and this PQ. Okay, this PQ which is parallel to BC, and this PR which is parallel to CD. Okay, then we have to prove this and this one. Okay, so let's solve it. So since we can see now, if you look this figure carefully, then here we have two triangle ABC we can say, and ADC, this triangle we can say. Okay, so first we come to this triangle ABC. Okay, so in triangle ABC. Okay, so because in triangle ABC, because PQ parallel to BC, PQ parallel to BC, which is given in the questions, and we know according to basic proportionality theorem or by Thales theorem, if there is a triangle ABC and if D parallel to BC, then according to corollary of Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem, we know AD by AB is equal to what? AE by AC. Okay, so this result according to corollary of basic proportionality theorem. Okay, I hope everybody understood it. Okay, so we will use the corollary of this Thales theorem. Okay, so because in this triangle ABC, PQ parallel to BC, so we can say AQ by AB. Okay, right? AQ by AB will be equal to AP by AC. Okay, now suppose this to be equation 1. Okay, now come to in this triangle ADC. So in ADC, PR parallel to DC, which is also given in the question. So now in triangle ADC, so in triangle ADC, PR parallel to DC. So again we can say, so therefore AP by, okay, so AR by AD. So AR by AD will be equal to AP by AC. Okay, so this is according to corollary of Thales theorem. Okay, suppose this to be equation 2. Okay, so now from equation 1 and 2, so from equation 1 and 2, so if you look both the equations, here you can see AQ by AB is equal to AP by AC and AR by AD is equal to AP by AC. So because both the term are the same, so we can say this term RHS of the both the equations are equal, so we can say the left hand side of both the equations will also equal, so we can say AQ by AB will be equal to AR by AD. Okay, so or you can write AR by AD first, then AQ by AB. Okay, so this is the first results that we have to prove. Okay, so this is the first result. Now for second, which is to be proved, QB by AQ is equal to DR by AR. Okay, so for this, let this result to be equation 3. Okay, now come to from equation 3. Now from equation 3, so from equation 3 we can say, because AQ by AB, okay, so AQ by AB is equal to AR by AT. Okay, so now take reciprocal of this. Okay, so by taking a reciprocal of this, okay, so it will become AB by AQ and AR by AD by AR. Okay, by taking reciprocal, so I hope everybody understood this one. Okay, now so further this can be written as AB. So here AB is what? AB. This AB can be written as AQ plus QB. So we can write AB as AQ plus QB. Okay, plus AQ. Now AD. So here this is AD, and this AD can be written as AR plus RD. So AR plus RD and upon AR. Okay, so now on further solving, I am solving this just right here. Okay, so now this AQ by, because this AQ divides both the term AQ and as well as QB, so AQ by QB and QB by AQ, and again it can be written as AR by AR plus RD by AR. So on cancelling it will become plus 1 QB by AQ, and this is cancel plus will RD by AR. Okay, so now further 1 will cancel out, so it will be QB by AQ will be equal to RD by AR. Okay, so this is the second result that we had to prove. Okay, so this is the result. Okay, so I hope everybody understood this problem very well. Okay, now come to next questions. Okay, so for next questions we have given a triangle APB. Okay, so for these questions in the figure we have DE parallel to AC and DC parallel to AP. Then prove that BE by AC will be equal to BC by CP. Okay, so let's solve it. Solution for this, we have to again draw a simple diagram. Okay, so for in this questions we have in triangle BAP. Okay, so in triangle BAP, because DC parallel to AP, in this triangle BAP. Okay, pay attention, DC parallel to AP, DC parallel to AP. So because in this triangle, if DC parallel to AP, we can say BD by AD, BD by DA is equal to BC by CP by Thales theorem. So this implies BD by DA is equal to BC by CP. Okay, by using Thales theorem or basic purposivity theorem. Okay, Okay, now suppose this to be equation 1. Okay, now if we take a triangle BAC, okay, BAC, this triangle. So now in triangle BAC, so in this triangle, because DE parallel to AC, which is given, so since DE parallel to AC, so again by Thales theorem we can write a BD by DA will be equal to BE by AC. Okay, so suppose this to be equation 2. Okay, so now again from equation 1 and 2, okay, and this is again also by Thales theorem. So from equation 1 and 2, because BD by D is equal to BC upon CP and BD by D is equal to B upon EC. So because left hand side of the both the equations are equal, so we can say the right hand side will also become equal. So this implies BC B by EC will be equal to BC by CP, okay, according to questions. So this is the results that I have proved. Okay, so I hope everybody understood this problem very well. Okay, then goodbye, have a nice day.